Hi, and welcome back to Miss April's English. Today we're going to be talking about homonyms. What's a homonym? Well, let's get started and find out. So what is a homonym? Homonyms are words that sound the same, but they have very different meanings. Sometimes the words even look very much alike, but their words have different meanings in different contexts. Here's an explanation of homonyms using the words there, and there. Now, they all sound the same, but as you can see, they are spelled differently and have different meanings. For example, there, T-H-E-R-E, refers to a place or a location. There, T-H-E-I-R, refers to ownership, the possessive of the word they. And finally, there, T-H-E-Y''-R-E, is a contraction of the two words they are. Here are examples using all three. My car is parked over there. There is the location. That dog is theirs, meaning they own that dog. And they're the best dancers on the team, meaning they are the best dancers on the team. Let's look at another set of words. To, and two. T-O, meaning I need to go to the store. Then there's T-W-O, two, meaning my little brother is 2 years old. And lastly, to T-O-O, she ate too many cookies, meaning she ate way more than she should have. Can you see how the three of these words sound the same but have different meanings? Here's another example, meet and meet. Sometimes we have meet at dinner time. Or we like to meet friends on Fridays to study on Friday nights. You have to pay attention to how the word is being used. Here are the words plain and plain. Our Christmas tree was plain because it had no decorations, meaning there's not much on it besides the tree itself. Then there's plane, P-L-A-N-E, short for airplane. My favorite way to travel is by plane. Here are the words right and right. She made a right turn to get to the library. This spelling of right, R-I-G-H-T, refers to a direction. Next we have write, W-R-I-T-E. My sister likes to write poems in her journal, meaning how you write things down with a pen or a pencil to record them. Okay, so next let's try some fill in the blanks using the words our and our. Our house is the one on the left with the brown door. For this, we would use the spelling O-U-R, meaning the one that belongs to us. There are 24 hours in a day, which means we would use H-O-U-R-S to talk about the time or something related to time. Let's try the pair of words new and new. Regina got a new car after her accident. For this example, we would use the spelling N-E-W, like something brand new and not old. David knew he was getting sick because his stomach and throat were hurting. We would use K-N-E-W, like you know something or the word that comes from knowledge. Our next pair is 8 and 8. We always start school at 8 o'clock. You guessed it, we use E-I-G-H-T for the number 8, which refers to the time. Yesterday we ate dessert after dinner, so we'd want to use A-T-E as the past tense of eat, because it happened yesterday. Next we have bare and bare. The baby was bare after the warm bath. Mom had to cover him up quickly. We should use B-A-R-E here. Jessica was frightened when she saw a large bear near the cabin last weekend. We want to use BEAR to show we're talking about the animal bear. Okay, folks, our last fill in the blank here is using the words by and by. I traveled to the city by bus. I would use BY here to show the way that you got to the city. It was so hard for George to say goodbye to his friends after graduation. When you're saying goodbye, you'd use the word BYE in English to signal that you're saying, see you later, adios, hasta la vista. Great job today, everyone. We learned about homonyms. Make sure you pay attention to how homonyms are used in your reading and writing, and also when listening or speaking to someone in English. Think about the other words they're saying so that you can pay attention to the context of the word to determine what they really mean. Keep practicing, and I hope you come back again.